from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Kia Picanto here on a 2012 plate, just replacing the position lamp on the passenger side front. It's called, even known as a sidelight lamp, side lamp, position lamp, parking lamp, which you're doing on this one. The one on the driver's side is working, the passenger side isn't. I'm going to show you how to replace it. It is a simple procedure. The bulb you need is a 501 bulb. You can find a link for it in the description. Now, if you did find this video useful, don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and there's a special thanks button as well. Definitely click on that. Now let's get to work. So what we got to do, first thing first, we've got to remove this cover right here. So sorry, my hand's going to be in the way. So get the cover removed, and then on the inside you've got a plug for the main dip bulb, which is a H4 bulb. If you did want, that's a low beam, high beam bulb. So if you did want to replace that, you can do that at the same time. Put that out. Now the bulb we need to pull out is that one there. So that's the bulb we need to pull out. So what we got to do is you wedge your fingers in, and then you wiggle, and then at the same time you pull it towards the back. So they do get a bit tight, so spray some WD-40 on there and that'll do the job. So basically this is the bulb we're replacing. Now here's a 501 bulb. I'll get the old one out, get a set of new gloves in, get the new bulb. Now I'm going to just plug it back in. So there's only one way it would go as well. So I'll plug that back in, and then I'll slot it through the hole again, which you can see on the inside. That hole right there needs to go in. Having to record and do the bulb at the same time is a bit difficult because of the space. Right, now the bulb is in. I plugged this back in as well. Now if you did want to replace this, it's easy. There's a spring on the top. Push it to the left, pull the spring out, take the bulb out. However you take the bulb out, that's how you put it back on as well. So that's in. Just gonna put the cover back on, and then we're just gonna check the light, make sure the lights are working. Covers on. Now you can see that there is working, and then the one on the driver's side as well is working. So if there's anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on the thanks button as well. Thank you and goodbye.